Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram DM button not working problem. If your message option is missing or not responding, don't worry. By the end of this video, your DMs will be working perfectly again. So, firstly, open the settings app. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Click on Instagram. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go back to the home page and open the Play Store app. At the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Update it if not, and after this, go back to the home page. And if you still face the problem, open the Instagram app. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. At the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and click on the help option. Click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Click on include and continue. And here describe your problem. And after this, click on sign option and wait for few hours. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.